What's up, guys? Today I would like to show you some web browsing automation using Selenium. So what exactly Selenium is? Selenium, it's using some drivers, Google, for example, Google Chrome driver, Chrome driver. Here we go, using Chrome driver and installing Selenium package. Selenium. And by installing Selenium package, you can be able to browse websites and automate something. Maybe you can build some bot in order to go somewhere, log in, and grab some information using Selenium. So Selenium is very powerful. You can easily manipulate some data. You can put some inputs and play with the website using Selenium. So you can automate something, you can create some bots to automate your boring stuff, this kind of things. So let's go ahead and install Selenium. So in order to know what is your version of Google Chrome, here you can see my version is 84 something. So I will need to go there and download to Windows. If you're using Linux system, you will need to download Linux, but do not forget that you have to specify the version. As I already downloaded, I will go ahead and use it. So, and for using Selenium, you have to install it to the Python package. You will grab it and first of all, I will grab this driver from zip file and simply put it right here. Yep. Okay. Currently I have it right here. So let's go and install Selenium with pip install. Oops. So we have our Selenium package here. Let's create touch web browser.py. All right, let's go ahead and write some code. So in order to be able to use Selenium, you have to import Selenium import WebDriver. For the WebDriver, you have other options too. You can use Firefox or whatever. You just have to install driver and specify it right here. WebDriver dot Chrome. All right, let's go ahead and specify URL which we are gonna work. So I found some useful website for practicing that Selenium. Here we go. Here you can practice with inputs, date, table, progress bars, slider, alert, and modules, list box, and etc. etc. So I'm gonna show just a simple, easy one, and let's go ahead and do this. So I'm gonna grab this URL here. First, I will specify that driver.get. Here I'll put URL. So Selenium will make a request to that and will get everything in an HTML format. So let's go ahead and see. Here we have some input message and we have a button to show that message. Let's say hello world, as every programmer start with this. Let's do hello world. Here we go. We have a hello world right here. So in order to be able to put data right here and press to show message button, we have to go ahead and inspect here, and here we need XPath of this. So let's go and say message field. Message field is gonna be equal to driver dot find element by XPath. Find element by XPath, and I'm gonna put XPath right here. So let's go ahead and try this one. Here we go. Selenium is running the driver. I thought we should have the message right here. I didn't assign a message. I just grabbed the input field, but I didn't send anything. So I will simply send some message using send underscore keys. So let's say hello world. All right, let's try it again. Here we go. Yep, we have it right here. So all right, we're good for now. Clear. So we got the message here, but we have to press this button, right? So in order to press this button, you have to go right there and grab XPath from here. And let's go ahead and assign this. Let's say button is going to be equal to driver find element by XPath and passing XPath and button dot click. Yep, that's much simple. Let's see how it's gonna work. Here we go. Button is pressed and hello world is right here. So, but sometimes it's not gonna work. I don't know why, but I got some issue with it in Linux environment. So I can suggest for the Linux environment to use driver dot execute script, execute script. In a script, you can just specify like this, and then say which button you're using. Button. I'm gonna comment this, and let's try it again. So this method is also gonna work, so feel free to use it. If you in a Linux environment, probably you might have this kind of issue. I'm not sure you might or you might not, but I got this kind of issue in Linux environment. So let's go. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna use this one. Let's go, and here we have two input values, A and B, and we have to press this one to calculate A plus B. Let's go ahead and grab this this one and say all right. Let's say A driver dot find element by express. Express is here, and B driver dot find element by express. Express of this one, I'm gonna inspect. Here it is. I will go there and copy express and put it right here. So we have to find button. Button is right here. We will copy express, and here we say total, or maybe total button. So driver dot find element by express, and express is here. Let's go ahead and send something. A dot send keys. Let's say 35. B dot send keys. Let's say 30. So it should be 65, right? And total button dot click. All right, I think we're good now. All right, let's go ahead and check. Here we go. 35 plus 30 is going to be 65. That's correct. And hello world is printed. So this is pretty much simple things you can do using Selenium. So let me show you one more thing. Let me show you drag and drop option. Drag and drop. Drag and drop dot py. We can just grab some of the useful info from here. Just here. For this, I found another website for drag and drop option. We're gonna go right here. Here, as you can see, you have to match cities with how to say, with countries. Seoul to South Korea, Rome to Italy, Madrid to Spain. I guess Stockholm should be up. This one. Copenhagen should be up. This one. This one. Yep. So let's say I'm gonna grab Seoul, because my university is Korean university. That's why. All right, let's go ahead and inspect. This is probably gonna be ID box 5. XPath, copy XPath. First of all, oh, I'm sorry. First of all, I have to put URL right here. All right, now we are good to go. So say Seoul is gonna be equal to driver dot find element by XPath. Let's copy it one more time. I just copied XPath of Seoul. And let's go ahead inspect this one and copy this one. Let's say Korea is gonna be equal to driver dot find element by XPath here. There we go. Now what we need is we have to import some needed class from Selenium. Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot action chains. I'm gonna import action chains class, action chains class. I guess I don't have a typo. So let's say actions is gonna be equal to class action chains. I'm gonna give driver in it. So we have a object of action chains right here. And now action chains dot drag and drop. I will say source and destination. For source, it has to be Korea, I guess, right? Source is right here. So source is Seoul. Source is Seoul. Destination is Korea. So let's go ahead and perform this action. All right. Python drag and drop. I hope we are not gonna have issue. Oh my goodness. Do we have issue? Might be. Action chains is not defined. Oh my goodness. I think I have a typo error. Oh my goodness. Why I did action chains? This is actions. Action. Oops. Actions. I hate when I do this kind of stupid mistakes. I'm gonna get rid of this. Here we go. Now it's working. So we can just grab everything right here and put it over there. Just grabbing the express of that. For the future videos, I think I'm gonna cover this Selenium for making some useful bot for myself. I think that's all for now. Thank you very much for your attention.